What if you could work with the United Nations without leaving your home and even get paid for it? In this video, I'll show you a paid remote internship offered by the United Nations Development Program, also known as UNDP. This internship allows you to work completely online while gaining valuable international experience. Even better, selected interns may receive a monthly stipend while working remotely. Many people are applying for this opportunity, but most videos miss one important part of the application process. Today, I'll explain the complete process from beginning to end so you don't miss anything. So make sure you watch until the end, because one small mistake could leave your application incomplete. Let's begin with a quick overview of this internship. This is a fully remote internship, so you can complete your work from anywhere with a stable internet connection. The internship lasts for approximately 3 months and focuses on digital innovation and artificial intelligence. During the internship, you'll work on real projects and learn how international organizations use AI and digital technologies. This experience can make your resume much stronger and improve your chances of future international opportunities. You'll also have the chance to collaborate with professionals from different countries and build valuable global connections. That's one of the biggest reasons this internship attracts thousands of applications every year. Now, let's find out who is eligible to apply for this opportunity.
We are looking for ambitious, driven individuals ready to make a difference.
I'll explain the education requirements, required documents, and every application step in a simple way. Let's start with the eligibility requirements and see whether you qualify for this internship. The first thing you should know is that this internship is mainly designed for university students and recent graduates. If you're currently studying for a bachelor's degree, you may be eligible to apply. Master's students are also welcome to apply if they meet the internship requirements. Even if you're in your final academic year, you can still submit your application. Recent graduates may also qualify, especially if they completed their degree within the last year. Before applying, always read the official eligibility section carefully because requirements may change over time. Now let's look at the documents you'll need before starting your application. The first document is your updated CV or resume. Make sure it includes your latest education, skills, and experience. The second important document is your cover letter. This is where you explain why you're interested in the internship. Keep your cover letter short, professional, and focused on your skills and motivation. Avoid copying templates directly from the internet. A personalized cover letter always creates a better impression. Once your documents are ready, you can begin the online application. Most people think there is only one application form. That's where many applicants make a mistake. There are actually
actually 2 important steps you need to complete for a successful application.
Completing only one step may leave your application incomplete. Don't worry, I'll walk you through both steps so you know exactly what to do. In the next section, we'll start the application together using the official website, one step at a time. Now let's begin the application process using the official website. Follow each step carefully and don't skip anything. Click on Apply Now to open the official application portal. If you're a new user, create an account using your active email address. If you already have an account, simply sign in. After signing in, complete your personal information carefully. Make sure every detail matches your official documents. Next, upload your updated CV and your professional cover letter. Review every section before moving forward. Even a small mistake can affect your application. Once everything looks correct, submit your first application. Many applicants stop here, but this is not the final step. Return to the internship page and carefully check whether there are any additional instructions or required forms. Some opportunities require you to complete an additional registration or submit extra information through another official page. Read every instruction carefully before submitting the second step. After completing every required section, submit the second form as instructed. Congratulations! Your application is now complete. Keep checking your email regularly for future updates. Remember, selection depends on your qualifications, application quality, and the official review process. Before applying, always verify the latest information on the official UNDP website, as requirements and deadlines may change.
If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to HowToDo for more opportunities, scholarships, internships, AI tools, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.